Cozy up with English. Bedtime Rituals. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to dive into the world of nighttime routines, specifically focusing on bedtime rituals. It's something we all do, but have you ever thought about how to talk about it in English? Stick around and let's learn together. Bedtime rituals are actions or habits that people perform just before going to sleep. They are often done to promote good sleep or to prepare for the next day. Everyone's bedtime ritual is different, and it can involve various activities. From brushing teeth to reading a book, bedtime rituals are an essential part of our lives. Let's get into some common vocabulary associated with bedtime rituals. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't forget to use these words in your everyday conversations. Brushing teeth. This refers to the act of cleaning your teeth, typically done before bed. Reading a book. Many people enjoy reading as a way to relax before sleeping. Setting an alarm. This is the act of setting a time for an alarm to wake you up. Putting on pajamas. This refers to changing into comfortable clothing usually worn in bed. Turning off the lights. Before going to sleep, most people turn off the lights. Now, let's put our vocabulary into action. Here are some sentences to illustrate how you can use these words in your daily conversations. Brushing teeth. Before I go to bed, I always spend a few minutes brushing my teeth. Reading a book. I like to read a book before I sleep. It helps me relax. Setting an alarm. I set my alarm for 7 a.m. every night before I sleep. Putting on pajamas. After a long day, putting on my pajamas and getting into bed is the best feeling. Turning off the lights. I can't sleep if the lights are on, so I always make sure to turn them off before I go to bed. That's it for today's lesson on bedtime rituals. I hope this video has given you new vocabulary and phrases to enhance your conversational English skills. Remember, the more you practice, the more fluent you'll become. Have a good night, and see you in our next video.